watching this real quick. I'm watching this YM. Again, if it opens with divergence, I'm going to short it. And it did. And I did. If you've got the quick start guide there, Kevin, that's a speed flash setup. Take a quick look at that. I have no idea if it's going to win or lose. Markets are going to do what they're going to do. We had a bit of a pullback. Didn't quite get full 5 ticks. While we're managing this, I'll go over it real quick. I'm still in this. But notice this big push up here, the relatively fast push. That's what I was going to explain to you over here on the CL. The qualifying process, the very first thing we want to use is the potential for exhaustion. All right, there's my +5 right here. So I shorted that, I got a +5. So we're looking for a good, strong potential for exhaustion. When you see a big push like this, then we get into an overbought condition. That's this pink outline, okay? So first we have momentum. That's these black bars. Then we have the strong potential for exhaustion, which is an overbought condition. We pushed up a new high of the day right into this major resistance. Okay, now we have this little white speed tick here. Very powerful. That tells us that the order flow, the orders are coming in much faster than is likely for retail traders to be able to be submitting those orders. Okay? So we're not reading volume, we're reading speed. Okay, that's something that most people don't do. But there's a lot of information there. So we're reading how fast the orders are coming through. On the open of the next bar, we had a divergent signal, which is telling us that even though we're seeing an upward trend, momentum has actually shifted directions the other way. That's what this tells us. When momentum shifts, price will typically follow. And it's a great time for that to happen when price has gone about as far as it can go. People, once it starts getting up here, start getting stopped out, start taking profits, and then the guys that were running this up suddenly sell off everything they had, and that causes this little pullback. Okay? That's the premise. This is a textbook setup right here. It's a speed flash setup. Look at that on your quick start guide. And notice the difference, okay? So I was going to show you over here why I didn't trade this, and that was because I didn't have that initial push. I didn't have that overbought condition. We're channeling here, right? Price is just drifting around. No real sense of exhaustion or potential for exhaustion. Even though we have two indicators together that suggest a potential pullback, that doesn't make it a high quality setup for us. But even so, it did drop, didn't it? It would have been a winner. So we have this confluence of events here that did cause a pullback and would have been a winning trade. It's just not one of our higher probability trades. We want to start with a good, strong potential for exhaustion.